Okay, this will be the final start of my 1995 Dodge Stratus with the 2-liter neon engine. There was an impact to the wheel there in the back, which bent the control arm and a bit of the frame. It's all out of alignment and whack now, but as if you can see, look at the front wheel, and if you look at the back one, it's also indented too. Maybe you can see it better from the back, but you can kind of tell how the wheel no longer straight to the body. Anyway, yeah, we'll start this up one last time for anyone that wants to hear the motor, or someone decides to buy it. So I'm going to pull the motor anyway, but this will be the last time that's in running condition, as I've been parting it out already. So let's see what happens. Battery should be charged. There we go. Here's the 5-speed clutch. Runs like a dream. Only 240,000 kilometers on it. That light over there is just the parking brake handle. See? And it is a -5 day here in Richmond. And it started up like a charm. There we go. Going on AMSOIL. Got the SSO 030 in there with the long life filter. And intake. Well, the filter, not the intake. And there you go. We're running 2-liter.